Okay, this is the recorder tap-in for the Motorola. I'll let that try and focus in there. Not really working, is it? Anyway, it's the XTL1500 Motorola. What I've done is I have made a breakout box for our voice recorder system. Basically, it's the older style hookup, not the traditional RJ11, and I've tried to come up with a full pinout, but I was able to get the pinouts that I needed. I think the other pinouts are for programming and that type of thing. I didn't bother sourcing them, but what I did find was push to talk, send, and the audio. Blue was the hook, and 5 and 9 pins were the ground. Basically, all I needed was the audio and the ground, and I was able to get that quite nicely. The actual breakout box itself, I bought a cable, basically just an extension cable, and cut it and brought the lines in to this little breakout box here, where I simply just tapped into the lines. The other, and you'll see a capacitor there and a resistor, that's basically for the rear output. And what I did with it was I was able to get a couple of pins, basically just ran them into this box. The output on this model has DC in the mix. So what I did to remove the DC was basically I put a 0.022 microfarads capacitor there to kill the DC. The output isn't very it's very low, so I put a 1 meg resistor in that circuit just to to balance, to create some kind of load there. What I do is, you'll see the other connector here. This is actually the audio mixing adapter for Omnicron Electronics. Basically, it's an RSA U5. I use those. They're well made. They have pots for the inputs. They work well with basically any radio, and basically that just converts the signal to plain old telephone service, which is what I need for my voice recorder. Basically, it takes a 9-volt adapter. Great little unit, and this is probably the 4th or 5th one I've put in. Very solid. So this basically just gives you an idea of what can be done to tap into the audio to with the newer style XTL1500 Motorola. Thanks for watching.